Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your sensitivity in Counter-Strike 2. You're going to open up your console. How to make your console enable, you reckon? Press settings, go into your game, enable developer console, and press yes. You're going to press the escape button or the little button underneath your escape. Now, how your keyboard is developed, it can be different. Of course, because I have a 60% mechanical keyboard, I press FN and escape. For you guys, it should be a button just underneath the escape button. You're going to type sensitivity. And you're going to change it to whatever you want. So it could be 2.4. If I can spell. Or 1 or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.